So this video will quickly review how to enter a customer and go through a pretty basic workflow. So what you'll do is enter your customers in. We'll create a brand new one called John Doe. John Doe lives here. You can put all that information in as you see. We'll just fill it out. And we can give John Doe an email, whatever we want, save it. Now, once we have our customer in, you can easily create an order, and this will help you get set up. This blue bar, we don't need it. We'll create an order, select who the order is for, select the product, computer part A, we have a price here, and once John Doe confirms they want this, you can manually confirm it. You can also send this order out to your client here by email, but we'll go ahead and confirm this. And what it does when you confirm it is it automatically generates the delivery order. And very simple. A delivery order is simply a tool that you can access the delivery order there, but you can also access it through here. So it tells me in list view what I need to ship out. And you'll see in stock, I can see all my inventory on hand, computer part A. I have one in stock, this serial number. I can see Odoo automatically reserves it for this order that's already been confirmed. And I can go in and actually, specify the serial number. I only have one in here that I want to pull, and I validate it and ship it to John Doe. Now I can always have traceability to know where serial number A is, or serial number 001. And of course, at the end of the day, you can come in and say, what do I need to invoice? And you'll see all those here. Batch action, can invoice the order, or I can actually, go right into the order and create my invoice here. And I'll do an invoice or down payments, but I'll do an invoice, just normal. Create it. So here's my invoice. It's in the draft stage right now. You'll see the minute I validate it, watch right here. Post journal entries. And that's my accounting. And there you'll see I've debited accounts receivable and credited tax received and product sales. And now if I look in my accounting app, you'll have an open invoice here for $139.15. And again, that's for setup. But so here's your accounting system. Now when you receive your payment from this client, you can go in here and enter it in manually. This is one way to do that. You'll say $139.15. Or actually, no, you'll specify John Doe, and there you'll type in $139.15, and we're going to receive money from a customer, and we can have a memo here, and once we confirm it, it posts the journal entries for the payment. And there I have my journal entries, debit, bank, credit, accounts receivable. And now what I'll do is I'll match it. And Odoo's smart enough to say you want to match that invoice with that payment. And I can reconcile it, and what that does is it marks that invoice as paid. And there you'll see it's been marked as paid by this transaction. You can see all that here. Tracks everything in the chatter. And lastly, up here I can look at my P&L. You can see, I can go look at my product sales on the GL. There isn't going to be much data here, but you'll see, you're going to have your AR, your product sales, your everything that you'd need through the lens of here, as well as many other accounting reports. So, in a nutshell, and if you go back here to your customer, John Doe, you'll see the full history up here of everything. You'll see deliveries, invoices. If you wanted to get into paying with credit cards, we could totally automate your payment processing. So you go up to your customer's door, they give you the credit card information at the end of the repair session. You go back to your van, you just process it, get your money right then and there. Or if they write a check, then you would handle it the way that I just showed you with creating the payment. Or you can, even in the accounting app, sync your bank account with Odoo so that you can import your bank statements, which will automatically have the balance there. And you'll see what that would look like is I'll have an invoice for John Doe. We'll just keep it simple here. Computer part A, we'll say $100, no tax. So now you'll have this open invoice for John Doe. And here in the accounting app, if I create a statement, I'll just say, maybe this week 26, 24, we brought in a bank statement, and this bank statement contained, 10 different lines, which are 10 different transactions which hit that bank statement. What you'll be able to do is you'll go in the morning, you'll see your new bank statement here. Odoo will tell you what you need to reconcile from that bank statement. You'll open it up, and Odoo it'll be smart enough to say here, do you want to match the INV line on the bank statement with this invoice for 100 for John Doe? If not, I can say no, but I'll reconcile right from my bank statement. And now what happened is, if I go look at that second invoice, Odoo also marked that one as paid. And it also automatically created the payment here from week 24 here. So I'll see that payment was automatically created and the journal entries associated. So lots of flexibility here. It's perfect for small businesses that are operating out of little storefronts, lots of computer repair shops, things like that we work with, where you easily create your sale orders, you send it to your customer, you invoice them, you charge your credit card, all your accounting's taken care of, and then of course you have an inventory system here to manage what's going on, what's coming in and what's going out, and of course the serial numbers associated with these products. See the orders these serial numbers are affiliated with, the customers, and of course you can drill down into the actual traceability report to see where these products came from. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.